Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. And today we have a Temu unboxing. Doesn't everyone just love Temu? Oh yes, I know I do. But in here we've got Super Mario. So yeah, very exciting to get into this one. So let's get into it. It's always lovely, well packaged, isn't it? They don't just like seal it. They put all this tape on it as well. So yeah, so let's see what we got in the Super Mario. But I was supposed to have another one come today, but Walmart are up to their little tricks again and take forever to deliver something. So unfortunately, we won't be doing that today. But yeah, okay. And in here we have got ourselves a 20x20, and put that into there like so. If you watch a channel called Debbie Gets Crafty, she has recently just invested in 20x20s. So yeah. Okay, so in here, I saw this and I was like, oh no, it's not a 20x20, sorry, it's a 20x30. But look at this, how cute is this? This has got to be so adorable. Super Mario! And it's got 15 colours, but what I like about it is most of my 20x30 is a portrait, whereas this is landscape, and I think it's so beautiful. It's like a gaming sort of thing. I watched a channel, I think it's called DP Crazy something, or something like that. But they do a lot of gaming pictures and lots of game PS2 sort of paintings, and it really got me into this. And yeah, I thought I would get that. There's no Luigi. Luigi is the one with the green hat, but it looks like Super Mario is carrying a little mushroom man there, and he's got some blue here with some little mushrooms down the side. It's got loads of pop of colour on that, and I'm really looking forward to it. I really quite like these nice 20x30s because, for example, if you look here, I can actually put that between my wall tile and there, so that would fit really nicely. Do you see what I mean? Like, it would fit really nicely in that gap on the wall. So that's really why I went for that sort of shape there. And then if we put that over to one side, we have the normal standard tray that I don't think many of us use because we like to invest in our upgraded versions. And then we've got in here, we have got some, we've got a yellow, black, oh, very vibrant colours here. Red, orange, blue, and purple and green. And we've got a brownie sort of colour, mango, and a light blue there, which is really good. And we've got white, greens, grey, purple, and black, which is really beautiful. But I can't wait to dive into this. There's so much colour on it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how vibrant it looks. By the way, I just want to inform you that Temu have got this ridiculous restriction thing going on. I bought one of these pens, okay, and this pen is like a 3-in-1. So you've got a stylus, you've got a twist pen, you can fold it. I don't really understand the purpose of that. And what you can do is you can push the light on like that. I tried to get another colour of these, and they limit it to one per customer. So say for example you wanted like an orange, a green and a red, you can only ever buy one. It's just getting ridiculous because, like, if you know, it's common practice that people are going to want other colours rather than just the standard colour. I would like to get the set, but for some apparent reason, like over anything you buy, there's always a restriction as to one per customer. So I don't know what that's all about. I think they need to change that because, you know, I think that's going to put people off buying from them. I am not collaborated with them, so I will share positives, I will share negatives, but I just wanted to pre-warn you that some things are like limited to one per customer. I dare say that if you was to buy this twice, they'd restrict you onto one per customer. But anyway, it's a really lovely haul. I can't wait to see what the other one looks like. I've got a very special Disney one coming up soon. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that bell if you want to be notified of further video uploads, and I'll see you again soon. Catch you later.